Hello, I'm Nick Rowley, Vice President, Investor Relations at Philip Morris International. I'd like to take a moment to share with you why we believe Philip Morris International is a compelling investment. We are the world's leading international tobacco company. We sell our products to adult consumers in more than 180 markets, and we have world-class manufacturing facilities around the globe. Our brand portfolio is our strength. We have many of the top international brands, including Marlboro, the #1 global cigarette brand. And thanks to that strong brand portfolio, we enjoy robust pricing power. We also have a solid capital structure, all of which supports our track record of delivering generous shareholder returns over the long term, the dividend serving as the primary use of our free cash flow. I'm here at the New York Stock Exchange, the financial capital of the world, where Philip Morris International is a listed company, and our stock is traded under the symbol PM. We're going to have a short stop here at our designated market maker, Citadel, where Charlie here is trading our stock, and he's going to tell us a little bit about what he does during the day. Hey, Charlie.
Hey, Nick.
How are you? Good to see you.
Good to see you, too.
Yeah. What's happening today?
The stock's last sales 99.55, up 94 cents today. Volume's pretty good, 1.2 million shares today.
So we had a good day.
Yep, so far.
One of our key goals is to ensure that reduced-risk products ultimately replace cigarettes. Supported by our leading R&D team, we are making significant progress on the development, scientific assessment, and commercialization of our reduced-risk products. By 2020, we're targeting an additional annual OCI margin in the range of $720 million to $1.2 billion on volume of 30 to 50 billion units, net of cannibalization for our RRP portfolio. As a global company, we have a responsibility to assess the impact we have on the world around us. We are significant in addressing environmental issues, such as reducing our carbon footprint, and helping to eliminate child labor and other human and labor rights abuses in our tobacco growing supply chain. To underscore this commitment, Philip Morris International has signed the United Nations Global Compact and incorporating their principles in our strategy, our culture, and our day-to-day operations. We didn't become the successful company we are today overnight. We have a strong management team and some 80,000 diverse, talented, and motivated employees around the world. Our employees are nationals in over 140 markets. They speak over 80 different languages. And we have over 400 dedicated scientists working on the development of reduced-risk products. But don't take my word for it. I invite you to discover PMI for yourself. If you're interested in more investor relations information, I invite you to download the Philip Morris International Investor Relations app from your favorite app store. Thank you.